Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple massed arrangement, and I really couldn't resist. I've got these absolutely beautiful amaryllis, and this is a green variety. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but we'll put that into the title. But this is a beautiful flower and I just wanted to do something with them before they were finished. So we've really just got our amaryllis. I've got some beautiful gold asparagus fern, and this has been dipped or sprayed, and we bought it in like this, and just some simple green cornus. So we've got the green amaryllis and we've got some green cornus. So really what I want to do is create like a posy style arrangement, and we're going to use this kind of nice country style vase for doing this. So it's going to be quite simple. Our flowers are open and they're having a good effect. And all I really want to do is just work these together. So I'm just holding these in my hand like I would if I was making a hand tie. I'm just looking at how these are going to go together. So straight away you can see that we're getting a good effect just by bringing them together. Now that one maybe we change. So. So straight away, just by bringing the heads together where the necks are, we can create quite an interesting arrangement and just create this mass. And what I want to do then is just add our cornus. And this is really just going to give us a contrast in line to this mass that we've got. And I'm being very careful feeding this in so that we're not damaging the heads. And then we're going to add our asparagus fern. So I'm just bringing this up underneath, and you can bring a couple of pieces together, it doesn't really matter. We've got them to one side and we'll do them to the other side. I just feel that the gold with the green, or this gold and this green, is just a beautiful combination. Now, I'm not going to put any more in that. Let's cut ourselves a piece of string. So this is a twine, and this is like a garden twine, and this is a great product because it's biodegradable. So we do tend to use a lot of the flat tie ribbon, which is great because it is flat, but nowadays we're starting to think a little bit more environmental. And actually having this garden tie gives us something that will degrade and is not going to be hanging around for the next 400 years. So I'm just tying that underneath and trimming off. So we've got literally a really simple arrangement, and then I'm just going to take this and cut it. So we want this quite sharp actually, because we just want this to really sit into our container quite nicely. Now, what we can do is we can start to have a wee play. We can have a play with our cornus. And the cornus really is very flexible. Mm. I'm really just using these little bits. It had little side branches, and what I've done is I've taken them and cut them a little bit so that they create an interest, or an interesting shape. So you can have a little play with this and just see what shapes you come up with. I think it's quite interesting to create a contrast to what we have below, which is literally just the mass of flour. And it's as simple as that. We can just, you can enjoy playing with this and coming up with different shapes. So in some ways, by bending this, we're creating some lines which give contrast to this mass that we've got. So we've got a contrast of texture, we've got a contrast of mass with line. And really just a simple arrangement using up the heads of some fabulous amaryllis that are needing to be enjoyed before they go. So I hope you've enjoyed our video. I hope you realise just how simple it can be to put 2 or 3 materials together and create something that you can enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here to subscribe and tap that bell, and that will give you notification of all our new ones. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.